Yes, yes, yes. What's the word, family? What's the word? Let's get it. Let's get it. We are about a couple minutes out from NFP, family. We are a couple minutes out. We are a couple minutes out, guys, from news. Wanted to hurry up and start it so we can watch this release together. But what's going on, y'all? Good morning, family. Good morning. Hopefully, y'all are having a good, phenomenal morning. About 6 in the morning. Entry is my. All right, y'all. Let's see what we get here. We do got the open in a couple, really 20 seconds. 20, or not the open. But we got news event 20 seconds. We got news in about 20 seconds. Let's see what happens here in the news release. We do got the NFP non-farm and the unemployment rate coming out. Happy NFP day to you as well, Linda. What's going on? Tyson in the house. Kevin Jose off the ground. What's the word? Appreciate y'all family for being here. Let's see what we get here on the release, man. 5 seconds out. Let's see what we get here. Oh, initial sell-off. Holy moly. Crazy sell-off right here on gold. Holy moly. Crazy sell-off real quick. What did the numbers come out as? Oh, we seen okay. Yeah, unemployment rate increased to 4.1, but we also had an increase in non-farm as well. This is kind of mixed, low-key. Damn, look at this wick. That is a big wick right there, boy. Big whiplashing. Yeah, I think gold does go back up. Hold on. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play, no. That's a wild wick, family. That is a crazy wick on gold. Look at this. Holy moly. Yeah, foreign currencies are flying right now. Indices are spiking up as well here. Again, the increase in unemployment is what I like to see. Right? The increase in unemployment is really what I like. Not even gonna lie to y'all. I think the increase in unemployment is really gonna fuel these markets to truly run here. All right, again, gold is holding up. This is really... Wow, this is crazy. What a whiplash. What a back and forth. Holy moly. How you guys feeling in the chat, y'all? Family, how you guys feeling in the chat, man? These markets are going nuts right now, man. So we got Margarita in the house. Danny, what's the word? Ninja in the house as well. That wick is wicked. Yeah. Nah, it really is insane how crazy this thing is, like whiplashing back and forth. Yo, that's a wild wick though, bro. And there's a wick on every single pair too. Big wicks on each pairs, man. Insane in the membrane, bro. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, family, news just came out, man. These markets are absolutely volatile as hell right now. Seeing a lot of whiplashing. Like, look at gold right here. We had a crazy spike down, only for it to spike back to the upside. Same thing for almost everything. Everything had a spike down, and then a flip back to the upside here. Spike down, flip back to the upside. The dollar had a spike up, flip back bearish here. Interesting, right? Now let me go ahead and break down, guys, my thoughts real quick on news, right? Because this is gonna, in my opinion, set us up for today. So we did have, again, an increase in the number of non-farm payrolls, right? The number of people that found employment has came out higher than expected. We were expecting 191. We came out at 206 with the revision of last month to 218. So we had an increase in non-farm payrolls, which is kind of inflationary. But then we also have the unemployment rate that increased to 4.1, which is disinflationary. So we do have mixed data when we're looking at the two big events that we just, noticed that we just seen come out, right? So mixed data across the board here. But I think the unemployment rate increase in the 4.1 is going to hold more weight than non-farm coming out higher than expected, right? Because they both came out higher than expected, but this one is probably the big one. In my opinion, that's probably going to hold the most weight, which I think could cause these markets to really probably continue in this bullish move that we've been seeing here so far. So we're just going to have to be patient now, though, family. Now we're going to have to really be patient. I mean, news just came out. We're about to get the first 5-minute closure after news. We got to see what this does here now, man. We got to see what happens now for sure. Right, Diami. I mean, how you guys feeling, though, family? Family, how we feeling, man? How we feeling? It's been a very volatile morning so far, man. But how are you guys feeling? How was your guys' 4th of July yesterday? Hopefully you guys had a really good 4th of July. I know I had a good time. I was out the whole day just spending it with family.
Is it a buy or sell? I'm late. Are we any trades? Why does everybody profit except for me?
Why did everybody profit except for me? That is so funny.
My stop loss got hit. How?
Alright, let's see what we got here, man. What's up, Abel? What's up, fam? Excited to not have to work and be able to lock in. Let's get it, Austin. Let's go. Speechless, Grand Rising, happy Friday. Let's get it. Herminio Barbusa in the house. What a trade. Let's see. All is well. Had a good time yesterday. It was great. Great calm. That's what I like to hear, man. Yeah, it was definitely a chill vibe for me, too. It was a chill, nice vibe as well, man. Now, I do want to say, GJ's still setting up, fam. Like, you guys know I haven't really been trading currencies, but the only currencies I probably would trade is probably these gem pairs, man. GJ is probably going to get ready to just take off to the moon. I wouldn't be surprised if this just really continues to go here. I mean, just like I told you guys on Wednesday, right? You know, on Wednesday, I told you guys that, you know, these little sell-offs that we've seen, right, that they're not going to last long. Or, you know, we've seen this occur plenty of times, these little sell-offs here for these yen pairs, and that's usually like the Bank of Japan trying to intervene to strengthen their currency. But it has not worked at all over the past 2 years, right? So I was not surprised by us rebounding a bunch of times after these little sell-offs. In fact, I'm kind of upset I wasn't watching GJ when we sold off last night, because that would have definitely been a nice opportunity for sure to get involved. Anytime we see a major sell-off, guys, in these gem pairs, man, like, you got to be prepared to buy these things up. I'm telling y'all, they're just going to be so bullish. I mean, even UJ looks really, really solid still. UJ has been getting affected, or has been affected, by the weakness in the dollar itself, but I still think this really starts to run now. Just because, again, I think the yen itself is just going to be super weak. I mean, this right here, guys, the yen basket is like the equivalent to the DXY here, right? And look at this, man. This thing looks like it's probably getting ready to run lower here, which is gonna cause everything to fly, man. So again, I haven't been trading currencies, but I'm telling y'all, if I start doing it, it's probably gonna be these gem pairs, just because it's so easy to trade right now. Just buy, wait for a big pullback and just buy. That's literally all we got to do. Wait for the big pullback and just buy. Literally. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get an opportunity on that today. I'm not opposed to it. All right, let's see what else we got here, man. Gold is still chilling up here. I wonder what we're gonna do here now. Again, we did come out mixed news, family, right? News did come out mixed. So this could realistically go either direction. We could now continue higher, which is what I think can happen. Or we can come all the way back down and fill this massive wick that we have here as well, right? Because again, it did come out mixed, so either side could really dominate. I believe the unemployment rate is gonna hold more weight, but I could be wrong as well. Coach, I'm red. How you red? Coach, I'm red. I would love, man, if GJ fell one more time, bro. That would be spectacular. Come on, GJ, fall one more time for us, real quick, man. Fall one more time for us, or UJ. I'm not opposed to UJ falling one more time. What's Indices doing? Indices, I mean, the Nasdaq and the S&P are starting to correct a little bit. US 30's also trying a little bit. How you red, Coach? I'm red. How you red, Coach? I'm red. No, seriously. How you red? Say, Coach, I'm red. Let me see. Is it? What you about to do here, Gold? What are you about to do? 100x. I'ma play it. I'ma slay it. Let's see.
Here come the fizz.
100x. 100x. 100x, yeah. All right, let's see. The euro's starting to push back up. $100x. 100x. $100x.
long time. Yeah, they waking up now. They ain't sleeping no more. Hey, we getting them profits. I need everybody to make some noise right now. Bow, bow. If you catch it on the blue, that blue action, blue squad, D-Lo, yeah. 100 rack drip, got a bag drip, I don't lag drip, got a stack drip, 100 racks.
Still watching this stuff, family. Go Michael right back on up here. Drip, drip, drip. 100 racks. Drip. Oh yeah, look at gold. Gold is pushing right back on up. Gold is trying to push right back on up here. Gold is trying to push right back on up here. Again, I think the unemployment rate is going to hold the most weight, which should continue to drive these markets higher here, in my opinion. All right, how are you guys feeling, family? Let me see. Seen that story of you getting active on that pickleball court? Hell yeah. That was my first time ever playing pickleball, to be honest with y'all, man. How many of you guys play pickleball, family? Any of y'all tried pickleball yet? Because, boy, that was mother junking a workout, man. And I ain't going to lie to y'all. That pickleball is no joke. If you want to get a solid workout in, go get some pickleball classes, I'm telling you. Go get some pickleball classes, man. I ran 2 miles in the morning, right? And I was way more tired playing pickleball than I did from the running. That pickleball, no joke. It really is no joke. Let's see what's going on, Matthew. Definitely bought CAD Yen, looking to hold it for a minute. Okay, listen, hopefully that runs for you, man. CAD Yen. Hey, it's a yen pair, man, bro. So I would hold this for forever. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I would definitely, depending on where your entry is, if you're like at the lower ends, you should definitely be break even by now. But like, again, these yen pairs, man, if we can get an entry here, I think we can hold these for a while. I think there is a good chance we could. We gotta see though. Yeah, gold is gold looks like it might want to continue high here, so we got to be patient still. See if we can get a solid entry. Like the Nasdaq doesn't look too bad because the Nasdaq is holding this support right here. This might be getting ready to go higher here. We did get a close above our trigger line on the 3-minute as well. 5-minute close as well. Man, first of all, big shout out to all you guys that are part of the boot camp, by the way, fam, because tonight we are back. All right, obviously yesterday was an off day for us because we had 4th of July. But we are back once again to go ahead and day number 4 of the boot camp. And let's get it. Super excited for tonight. Super excited for it all. But day number 3, if you guys really paid attention to day number 3, family, then you guys really got a lot of value. Tell me day number 3 wasn't lit. Day number 3 of the boot camp was fire. It really was. Let's see. A bearish Dixie. Yeah, I mean, the dollar definitely got wrecked, and I think this does continue lower here. I think this can, I mean, look at this move. Massive swing up. Swing all the way back down. I wish the volume would have supported the sell, but either way, this is a very strong rejection candle. Probably going to see more weakness there, which is probably going to lead to more upside on gold, more upside on foreign currencies like the euro, the Aussie, the pound. Indices probably going to see more upside as well. Even crypto can probably finally start to rebound, man. Crypto had a crazy sell-off for the past day or so. This thing is down below 55,000, which is kind of crazy. I ain't going to lie. I did not expect us to come this low. I did not expect us to come this low, but guess what? We are. Right, we are this low, and I mean, we're talking about super cheap pricing right now. Ethereum at just under 3K. That's crazy. Polkadot back at $5.50. That's crazy. Solana at 130. That's crazy. So yeah, this is these markets, man, are on a super correction, super discount. Super correction, super discount. Make sure to go ahead and grab your bag of something. Make sure to grab a bag of something. She got it, she got it. Let's see, morning. I wasn't able to make day 2 and 3 of boot camp. Wondering if the records were sent out. They have not been sent out because I really wanted to edit them, just because there is a lot of pauses in between. So like the replay value probably won't be as enjoyable as it could if I do a little editing. Then it'll just be a lot more easier to follow. But I do got some bad news about day number 2 that I've been trying to figure out. But the actual recording itself from day number 2 is somehow corrupted. Somehow it got corrupted, so now it doesn't even play. So what I am going to do, though, I'm just going to re-record it, right? Even though it was a 2-hour-long session, I'm going to re-record it so that you guys at least still have it. All right, so just give me some time on that. I don't know how it got corrupted, especially since it comes through Zoom and it goes right to my cloud, but day number 2 is the only one that ended up somehow being corrected. I do have all the other days, obviously, but I am going to record day number 2 over for you guys, and then obviously you guys will get it when I do it. And day number 2 is the day I know you guys really enjoyed, man, because that was all about fundamental analysis, man. That's what day number 2, if you guys really were, locked in, should have told you exactly what to expect off of these news events and off of these releases. But again, I'm gonna have to re-record it for you guys so you guys have it, and we'll go from there. But I do have day number 3, and I'll send you guys day number 3. Probably just combine it with day number 4 tonight, right? Day number 3 and day number 4, just send it to you guys together. And if I have time today, hopefully I can even re-record day number 2, and then I can send you guys 2, 3, and 4 tonight. I just gotta see if I have enough time, because again, re-recording a 2-hour session is crazy. Like, I was so pissed. I'm like, no way, this was 2 hours long, bro. And I gotta find another 2 hours to do it. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see, my first trading boot camp, day 3 was eye-opening for me personally. Let's go, Ninja. Yeah, day number 3 was dope, right? Because again, it really breaks down all the key components of a technical strategy, right? Of a profitable technical strategy. We spoke about a lot of shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, we spoke about the ranges, we spoke about volume, we spoke about a lot of shit on day number 3. And day 2 was fire. Yeah, day 2 was next level. Good morning, Gabriel. Shout out to you for being here, my brother. All right, let's see what these markets continue to give us, family. Again, I'm not in a rush, man. We can't be in a rush right now. All right, these markets have already showed a lot of volatility. Now we just got to be patient and wait for the next best opportunity. That's one thing that we have been, family. We've been very patient on these streams, man, and that's why we've been absolutely crushing it. Like, we've been absolutely crushing stream here, family. The past few weeks, man, have been absolute bangers for us. And again, it has to do because we made that adjustment. It has to do with that adjustment that we made, only targeting 20 points, 20, 30 points, and getting the hell out. That shit has changed the game. Absolutely. So that's going to be the same process today, man. We're going to show up, wait for our setups. Again, if you guys were able to watch day number 3 of the boot camp, you guys know that we have 2 preferred setups that I look for. 2 main setups that I'm looking for. There is a chance that both setups show up in the same exact time at the same exact area, which is an A+ setup. But we are waiting for our setups here. We have 2 that we personally just look for the most. There's a ton of different setup sizes that you guys can really focus on. Literally thousands of different setups and opportunities you can focus on. But my recommendation is to only focus on a couple, right? Find 2, 3 main setups that give you the highest probability and just lock in with those. Or just lock in with those, and that's what I do, right? I have 2 main setups that I look for: liquidity grab and the trend line, trend line trigger play with the continuation. But that's really it. It's either we're going to be looking for continuations and playing the trend line break back above the 13, or we're in a correction and we're expecting a liquidity grab, and then we play the liquidity grab followed by, you know, a live OB. That's all I look for. Liquidity grab to continue with a live OB to support it. Live OB with volume. Or we're already trending and we just wait for the break and pull back in between the moving averages, and the break on the outside is our entry. It's not complicated. Not complicated at all. But that's what it got to be. Let's see. Don't even edit it. Everything you said was great. Day 2 and 3, so good. I appreciate that, Tiny. And I consider not to edit them, but again, I just know. Trust me, just being, you know, a content creator, especially with long form content like that, you're gonna be a lot more. Because, give me 1 second. Right, most people will be able to, with a nice, clean, edited video, taking out all, and that's really what it's all about, right? Cool. Give me a second. Yeah, making the content enjoyable is also very important. So. I see we got globally paid 4L, the big. It's a big 4L in the chat. The big 4L. What's the word, man? Let's see what we continue to get here, fam. Let's see what we continue to get here, man. Let's see what we get. These markets are just going back and forth at this point. These yen pairs, let's see. Morning Abel just hopped moon. Nasdaq to the moon. That might not be a bad idea. Again, I do want to see more upside here, so that might not be a bad idea. Price came down, ran the lows, starting to turn around and back up. You do kind of like, in order for this to be like a something that could really be confident in, we're gonna have to really get it back up here. If you can get 20,239 on forex pricing, that would be beautiful. If you're looking at things from futures pricing, then it'll be 20,440. If we can get a close above that, then you will be solid. Then you should see this thing go back up to the highs. I think you will be absolutely solid if you can continue to get that to go. Gold, gold, gold. What we doing? Gold about to give us a 3-minute play. 3-minute trigger line play. Remember what I told y'all, right? For my setup, I want price to get back in between the moving averages on a close back outside of it, supported by volume. Is usually what we look for. We're seeing it on the 3-minute time frame. We really have no volume though. Like, there's really no volume behind any of these moves, but we'll have to see how this continues to play out here. Let's see, I'm looking at all the dojis on 4-hour charts, see if they hold till 9 a.m. Yeah. What's going on, Jama? Good to see you in the chat, man. Hopefully the storm is, let's see, the storm came and went and is on its merry way without any damage. Thank the Lord. That's very good to hear, Jama. Very, very good to hear, man. Let's go. All right, so let's see what we get here. I mean, technically, we are going to be closing a little bit higher volume than the bearish candle. Technically, we are closing as an order block supported by volume, or an engulfing pattern supported by volume. Gotta take a loss. Yeah, we're not gonna rush it. We're not gonna rush it. Yo, my body is on fire from pickleball, bro. Oh my goodness. It makes no sense why I'm in so much pain. Let's see. Yeah, gold looks like it might really start pushing, man. Cause I'm gonna keep rising. Yeah, yeah, gold looking like it's getting ready to run. Every boss gotta take a loss. What's our yen pairs doing, man? Gotta take a loss. Take a loss. Those ad libs are hilarious. Take a loss. Take a loss. Every boss gotta take a loss. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see. Grand Rising, y'all. Grand Lokesh in the building. What's going on, Lokesh? Good to see you, man. My brother Drew in the house. Man, that boy gifting memberships with the 5 gifted. Let's go now. Let's go now. You ain't have to be so nice to me in the community. Let's get it, man. Shout out to you guys, man. What a guy. What a nice guy, man. Let's go, man. I appreciate that, bro. That's love that you are, gifting the family members some love, showing them some love, man. Let's go. What a guy. What a guy. We got King City in the house. What's the word? That's a good man right there. That's a good man right there. Absolutely. I mean, let's see what this does, family. Let's continue to watch this stuff, man. I'm not opposed to taking a possible buy here on indices. I just wanted to see what we do at these levels. Like if this 5-minute candle engulfs, like if we get this as like a 5-minute engulfing right here, maybe supported by volume, that might be what brings us higher, right? But I'm gonna be patient on this. We're not gonna force it. We're not gonna rush it. We got my brother George in the building. What's going on, George? Good to see you in the chat, man. I mean, family, what are you guys in, man? Anybody in any positions right now? Is anybody in any trades right now? Talk to me nice, family. Talk to me nice. Anybody in any trades right now, currently speaking? Currently. Fitty, bounce. On game real quick. Hit this. I won't repeat it. What you trying to do here, NASDAQ? Talk to me, man. Yeah, gold is starting to push up again here. Yeah, indices are still choppy right now. Still super choppy right now. Man, they're over there cooking up in the kitchen, boy. I could smell that breakfast. I could smell that breakfast right now. Think I could smell some bacon and eggs. Family, what'd you guys eat for breakfast today, man? Chat, what'd you guys eat for breakfast today? You guys eat for breakfast today? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat. Let's see. Me at Euro USD. I'm out of everything. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm going to be patient today. I'm not going to force a mother junking thing, man. I want to make sure we get a proper entry here. I see long on GJ. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish these yen pairs for sure. Absolutely bullish these yen pairs. I think UJ definitely goes for at least 100 pips over the next couple days. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. So I'm with you on that, Tunes. Let's see. Oil long from yesterday at 83.17. Oh, you got a crazy entry. 83.17 all the way over here. Okay. Sheesh. I had a great winning week, so I'm not trying to get my money back. Absolutely. Seeing about BTC at these lows, yeah, crypto is extremely low. I'm telling you. Two sells on Euro USD. See if they come back to the 107.4. You said two sells. Okay. I mean, I could see it. I mean, you never know with price, right? You could definitely see it. He said the Aki way. I wish it was the damn. I mean, listen, honestly, I'll take Wifey's way over Aki's way just because Wifey's elite with the food. I'm not even gonna lie, but it would be cool to do it the Aki way too. Throw a whole bunch of craziness on there. That is so funny, the Aki way. And it's just dumb funny how anybody that runs a corner store, at least where I'm from, is a Ak. It's funny how universal that word Aki is. That is hilarious to me, how universal Aki is. I'm pretty sure though that's probably like a New York thing. I'm pretty sure New Yorkers are probably the ones that really started that wave. Hey, yo, Ak, what's the word? Let's see, making that right now. Ooh, I'm tentative today. Got about a banger yesterday with gold, 35 points using your strategy from the boot camp. Let's go. I mean, the strategy is simple. Like, we've had a couple attempts right here on gold with the strategy itself. Like, we've had price coming between the moving averages, break back out. Those are entries all day. Let's see what we get here. We still are 25 minutes out from the open, family, so we still got plenty of time. Still plenty of time here. I kind of hope that these do correct back down. I really hope GJ corrects back. Come all the way back down, GJ. Like, I want GJ back down at these levels. I'm buying the hell out of it. Buying the hell out of it if we can do that. Let's see, hurricane messed up my house in Jamaica. Damn, that sucks, King City. Hopefully everybody's okay, though. Hopefully everybody is okay, but that is very, very unfortunate, bro. Hopefully it's not too bad, man. Let's see, if their name is Terry, you got teriyaki. Yeah. Nah, that's funny as hell, bro. Honestly, now we could, yeah. I'm like, yeah, that's dumb funny. We'll leave it at that. That's hilarious. Let's see, bro. I'm in US 30, waiting for entry. US 30. That's what I'm waiting for too. Shoot. That's what I'm waiting for. Like, these things are holding these supports right here. Like, if we really look at US 30, we did just sweep below this little internal range structure point. All right, we did sweep below this internal range structure, and we're starting to see some demand pick back up. Hey, man, closure back outside of our moving average right here. Closure back outside that 13 could be the entry right there all day. Stops below the initial low. We just gonna see. We're gonna see how this continues to go, but I'm not opposed to that at all. Watch what the big dealer do. What I would be interested in on NASDAQ, man, if the NASDAQ can truly pop back up here, that would be nice. Like, I want to see how we truly play here. Because I'm waiting to see if we're going to be able to find a floor here. Once we can find a support, I think this is really going to run. But, as usual, when it comes to indices, it's probably best just to wait for the open on this. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Last time I traded before waiting for the open, man, I got slaughtered. So I think we could find a low sometime soon here, especially if this, we start to rebound back up and get back above here. If we get back above 20,230 based on Forex pricing, I think this is really going to just run here. But I'm going to wait to the open. I'm going to wait for the open on that, see what we get there. Gold looks like it still wants to continue higher here. Foreign currencies, again, I would be shocked if these do not continue to the upside as well. Yen pairs, I want these to pull back a little bit because I do want to see more upside as well for these yen pairs. And there's a lot of upside. Just expecting a lot of upside is what I'm looking at. I just want to find reasons to buy these things, man. That's really it. That's really it, man. Just looking for reasons to buy this stuff. because I am very bearish the dollar today. So, especially off of the news, any moment turn into a yeah. Every moment turn into a twisted in a row. Let's see what we get here. Definitely. I mean, gold is at an interesting level too. I'm not even gonna lie. Like gold is at a level where this could fall back down again. I believe we're still gonna see a lot more bullishness for gold, but we are at a level where we could possibly see a corrective move right back on down. And I wouldn't be opposed to it because then I'll just look for more buys again. But gold, it is at an interesting level of structure, man. We did just take out this high right here. Yeah, we're still pushing though. I think we still do push, but let's see. NQ still needs to rebound a little bit. Let's see. Still being patient, family. Still being patient. Again, big shout out to all you guys that are locked in with me, man. You guys are absolutely amazing. Go ahead and smash that like button, family, if you haven't done so just yet, and support the stream, support me. I appreciate you guys for doing that so much. So much. Let's see, the Aki way, really a quick, nice chef up by the Ox in the store. They really get busy. Absolutely. Oh, Friezo, you didn't know what the Aki way is, bro? You probably haven't seen the TikTok, right? But it's like a, I mean, Aki is really just a name that we give, you know, people that work the corner stores, right? But there's a guy that popularized it that all the celebrities go to now. And they actually whip up whatever they actually want, to be honest with you. They whip up literally the craziest things. And it's pretty funny. The Aki way, man. Look at this guy. This guy ended up running up millions of subs too. Like, you want to see the original Aki way? Let me see what we got. This is Quavo.
Yes, Quavo, man. Help you today.
Yes, sir. Let me get a barbecue trap cheese the Aki way.
The Aki. Sure.
First, you got to go patty on the plate.
It's the Aki way, you heard?
Then we gonna hit it with the peppers. Then we chop it up, baby. Let's go. Yo, Quavo, what we do after we chop it up?
Come on now, you know we got to season it up.
Let's hit it with the pepper, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Then we put the hash brown on the grill.
The Aki way.
We're going to whip it up.
Let's go.
He said a barbecue
we
chopped
hit it with
cheese.
the cheese.
I think we need a little bit more of that.
A little bit more of that.
The Aki way.
Wagwan Gaza.
Yes, sir.
What we do next?
Yo, Ak, when the bacon ready, slap it on the Jamaican patty.
Let's go, baby.
Come on now.
What a combination, though. Look at this combination,
You
bro.
know I got to hit it with a dab of ranch. The process when you put a dab of ranch on here, now you got to delicately put it on the
Last and final, we hit it with the hash brown.
hash.
Once everything's ready, now we
That,
stack it up.
this should look like a heart attack, don't
After
it?
we stack it up, now we put on top of the paper.
They're using beef patty? Oh,
now
hell no.
we wrap it up.
Wrapping it.
Then the result.
Don't forget the Bev.
OMG.
Nah,
Can't forget your
that shit
bag.
looks
Come on, man. Never that.
never.
Never. Now we serve it to the customer. Here you go, my brother.
Yeah, this guy's the one who really made it go viral, but like that's always been, right? It's always been a thing though, right? Where we, you know, go to our corner stores, be like, yo, Aki, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, man. Let me get that. Mad funny though. But yeah, look at all this, man. This is all he does. Gets a whole bunch of celebrities now, and they literally create the crazy. I'm talking about the craziest shit in the world, like stuff that you probably won't even eat, to be honest with you. But it's the I don't even know who she is.
with chopped cheese and ramen noodles on cocoa bread. Girl, you gotta get the Aki way. The Aki way!
All right. Shout out to the Yaki way. Oh my God, gold is going nuts. Gold is starting to push again, family. Let's see what else everything else is doing. If the Nasdaq can start to push back up, man, listen, I might be up in here. I might be up in here. If we get a nice close back above this range, we might be up in there. The Aki way. We might be in there the Aki way. Let's see. You're probably not gonna catch saying it though. They just gonna be like, "Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese." Yep. Don't feel bad, Lou. I thought that was his name. That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure everybody probably think that that's actually their names. All them flavors confusing me. A delicious heart attack. He said, "What?" Now that last thing that girl just asked for was nuts. She's like a Jamaican patty with some wild stuff. She work her magic. I don't care. My Akis, man. My Akis from upstate New York. Y'all ain't got no chance competing with my Akis. We need to have like an Olympic game of ox. That sounds crazy, but ain't nobody competing with my ox in my corner stores from back home. They used to be elite. Elite. That would be crazy, right? Having a competition of ox. Take every ox from the hood across the whole state, New York. The only New York ox could be involved. They're the only ones that can compete. But that would be insane. He said you got this Spanish ox that will smoke any. I'm telling you, bro, my ox are elite, bro. My ox from back home are elite, bro. And they make the best chicken wings in the world. The best chicken wings. Like, I'm talking about super crispy chicken wings. And you can get 4 for $1. 4 chicken wings for $1. You're crazy. Super crunchy. You're insane. You're insane, bro. Like, what? The beef patty? The beef patty with cocoa bread and cheese with some lettuce, mayonnaise, and ranch in that thing. Boy, the way he used to make that. Crazy. You insane, bro. Your Spanish ox ain't got nothing. Spanish ox ain't got nothing on my ox from back home, bro. I promise you. My dude was elite. Actually, there was a couple of them that worked in my one favorite corner store. What a time to be alive, man. We're over here talking about Akis right now. Like, what a time to be alive. How did we even get here? No clue. Alright, but let's see what we continue to get here, family. Still watching this stuff, man. We are about 14 minutes out from the open now. 14 minutes out from the open, but this Nasdaq is attempting. It's trying its best to make a move here. It's trying its best to make a move here. What you about to do? What you about to do? Talk to me nice. You about to come back up in the range? Is that what you about to do? You about to come up back in the range? Seen a milli, I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5 and now they hating. Yeah, this is coming back in the range. I seen a milli, I got motivated. Should see all their faces. Hey man, we close like this, man. We might have to see something. I just took a different time running Abel. Took a trip to Miami. I'm Ryan, no Florence. That on the Miliacho it. I might take a stab here. I mean, we're still not here at the open, though. I really want to wait for the open, but this Nasdaq look like it might be getting ready to run here back to the upside. I just gotta be I said I was gonna wait for the open, so I'm gonna wait for the open. I'll just catch the rebound if anything. Quit my 9 to 5 and now they hating. I got motivated. Let's see. Jamaican patty with cocoa bread is amazing. Absolutely. How much does it usually cost with inflation? I mean, I used to get a beef patty with cocoa bread for a couple dollars, a drink, and a bag of chips for like $5 in total. Cocoa bread or a beef patty with cocoa bread and cheese usually comes out to like $1.50 to $2. At least where I'm from. Depending on the corner store, maybe $2.50. And then you get a bag of chips for like $1, a drink for like $1.50, depending on the drink. If you just go with the original, the OG drink of all time, which is just Arizona, you spending like $4 or $5. You spending like $4 or $5, man. You could have a whole meal, a 3-course meal for $5. That's with inflation. Leslie, can't wait for tonight's boot camp. Worked all week, so I'm catching up. But so far, nothing but nuggies. Let's go, Antonio. Yeah, now the boot camp. That's what I said, man. For those of you guys that really didn't take advantage of the boot camp family, for one, I don't know when I'm going to do my next one. But for two, man, like, I'm going to be honest, you're really missing out, man. Let's see. Speaking of chicken, they allow lab-grown meat to be sold in the U.S. That is absolutely atrocious. Like, that is atrocious if you actually think about it. Lab-grown meat? Lab-grown meat? Like, what? All of my haters. I got motivated. I'm telling you, this NASDAQ looks so good. I wish if we were already past the open here, man, I probably would have taken this for sure. Just because I like how we were able to still find this support and eventually come back within this range here. I think this really could run here. This could be the low that now brings us to the high. If we see price, if price is able to go ahead and rebound and get back above here though, then this is really gonna go on. Like we're really not gonna be happy or excited until we get back above 20,430s. Then this thing is really gonna be gone. Like really gone. Pull up with the baby murder. Yeah, and we're about to get a 15-minute closure like this too. Oh yeah, this thing is getting ready to take off. This thing looks like it's getting ready to take off. Take off to the upside. Still got 8 minutes out from the open. Velo. Yeah, this looks solid, bro. This looks solid. This looks solid. Let's see. I'm long NQ at 24.15. Drake Calloway, man, you got a crazy entry, bro. Are you trading futures or you trading Forex? I'll tell you right now. 24. You have to be trading futures. You got to be trading futures. So if you're trading futures, bro, that's a crazy entry, bro. Like that's literally down here at this little. That's crazy entry. I promise you, just roll your stops to break even. I mean, manage your trade how you normally manage it, right? But what I would do is definitely protect my trade. Go break even at this point since you got it so low, and then just enjoy this move. I'm telling you, this thing is gonna fly. This thing is getting ready to take off. So you're in great shape. Great shape. Let's go. Let's see. Don't do it. Remember last Friday before the open, he was mad at himself. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm waiting. Listen, I'm okay with missing out on this, right? Because again, I gotta follow my rules, man. Last time I broke my rules and was trading this before the open, we took 2 losses. We haven't taken a loss in like 3 weeks besides those 2 losses, right? So I'm chilling, man. You know, if it does continue to go up, then we'll just have to use this 20,430 level as a possible support to give us an entry here on the open. Let's see. Can't get a sandwich in Florida for under $7. Gonna have to go to the corner stores, man. Is that the same thing in the corner stores? Let's see. In Nas for a buy as well. Yeah, you guys are crushing. I'm telling you, man. If it wasn't because of me trying to wait for the open, I would have been in this too. Inflation destroyed that type of vibe in New York. Crazy, everything expensive. Yeah, in New York, everything is expensive, right? Down in the town, down in the city, everything is expensive. See, upstate, everything is still. I mean, it's still expensive, but it's not as expensive. New York has always been just overpriced for everything. Actually, send a Zoom link. I got you. He said, send the Zoom link the Aki way. The Aki way.
Recording in progress.
I don't want to record, man.
Recording stopped.
Yo, yeah, I don't want to record, man. Pull up with the pips will be murmuring. Give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Pull up with the pips. Alright, I did send a Zoom link. I sent the Zoom link in the Discord. Again, the Zoom link, anybody can jump on if you're in the VIP family, but the Zoom link is really for those that want to contribute to the conversation. So if you're going to join the Zoom link, I would love for you to actually be able to unmute your mic and contribute to the conversation. Abel, can I get a copy of the journal? Yeah, absolutely. So this is the journal that we are going to be using, family, moving forward. All right, we took our first trade on Wednesday since we started documenting, and journaling it. But this is it right here. What I do want you guys to do, I want to make sure that if I share this, it doesn't mess up my stuff, though. Let me see. Give me 1 second, family. I want to make sure, because I don't want to give it to y'all, and y'all could essentially change everything on me. That would suck. We are about 5 minutes out from the open. 5 minutes out from the open. Oh, man, it's gone. Yeah. I'm gonna get that. Let me see. Well, we bagged that. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is only view only. All right, cool. How do I make it to where you guys can edit it, though? Right now, family, I could send you guys the link to the actual... Yo, NASDAQ is going nuts. I'm telling you, this shit gonna fly. I could send you guys the actual link to the trade journal, but you're only gonna be able to see what I documented on it. You're not gonna be able to edit it or anything. I gotta figure out how you guys can just make your own copy of this. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, I just figured it out. I just figured it out. I just hope it doesn't... Hold on. See, anyone on the internet with the link can edit. That's not what I want. I don't want you guys to be able to edit my shit. Let me see. We're still 3 minutes out from the open, family. 3 minutes out from the open here. How can I... Let me see. Okay, this is what I'm gonna have to do here. I'm gonna have to make a copy. Make a copy of this, and then give you guys the copy link. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, anyone with the link? Alright, here we go. Now I should be able to give you guys this. And you guys should be able to leverage that. Let me make sure. Let me make sure it's not messing up with mine. Alright, cool. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so I just sent you guys a link in the chat, family, if you guys do want a copy of the trading journal. I just sent you a link in the chat. All you got to do is go to it. What I would recommend is just to go to File, make a copy so you can make your own copy of it, and then you're good to go. But look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is starting to push up here. Gold is probably going to continue. Let's see what we continue to get here. Again, family, make a copy. When you guys go to the link, all right, do not just use this one right here. Do not use this one that I just sent in the link, because anybody can copy it. There's people already here. Anonymous Raccoon and Tiger. So there's a few of you guys that already clicked on it. You want to go to File, click on Make a Copy, and then it will be yours. Alright, do not just use this one, because anybody and their mama with the link can use it. Go to Make a Copy under File, and then obviously make a copy of it, and then that will be your official one. But don't use this one. Don't use this one. Click File and make a copy. Baby, I want you now. Click File and make a copy of this one. Don't use this one. Perfect. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. We do have the open. US 30 is tanking on the open real quick. NASDAQ is flying on the open real quick. Holy moly, NASDAQ will rolly. NASDAQ is pushing. The S&P doesn't know what it wants to do. US 30 fell pretty hard. What are you trying to do, US 30? You really are trying to make us take advantage of you, huh? Yeah, the NASDAQ is looking money, family. For those of you guys that took the NASDAQ, man, you guys are in profits. You guys are absolutely crushing it, man. Absolutely crushing it right now. Let's go. You guys are crushing it. Let's see. The S&P is still chilling here. US 30, I'm telling you, I think US 30 does rebound. Because I believe these do continue back to the upside, in my opinion here. In my opinion. Damn, this thing is still going. They just took out the lows too now. US 30 just took out the lows. See, everything else is flying, but US 30 is still falling. Make it make sense. I mean, foreign currencies are also chilling right now, but US 30, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do here, buddy? Said be careful, all this pips. US 30. Damn, okay, you 30. What are you doing, buddy? If the NASDAQ keeps on pushing higher here and the S&P starts to push up, but US 30 is still down here, I'm buying US 30. I'm calling the pump fake on US 30. I'm going to be calling the pump fake here on US 30 soon. If I don't buy it. Man, now look at US 30 trying to push back up here. What are you trying to do here, you 30? What are you trying to do? Come on, talk to us nice. Talk to us nice. What are you trying to do here? You about to push? You about to push here? About to throw this cash up on a new pair. I see. Damn, this shit about to run. $1 million motivation nation. Ain't playing.
I knew I said I wasn't gonna do it, Abel. I had to take a little stab at Nas for science, man. Just for science.
Shoot, I'm not even mad at you, bro.
But I'm out of it, man. I got what I needed. I'm at 3,500 for the week, so I'm cool.
Holy moly, let's go. Round of applause for that. Come on now. Let's go.
I'll be honest with you, the main one I was looking at was gold. I wanted gold to come down a little bit more, but it never did.
Mm-hmm.
I should have known I was asking a little too much from it, but you know, it is what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah, US 30, bro. Man, we should have took the 1 minute OB here. Should have took the 1 minute OB down here at the lows, man. I don't think there's any slowing down now. I think this just really starts to run higher. The gold is still pushing up at the highs as well. The S&P looks like it's about to start breaking up. What's our yen pairs at least doing? What are our yen pairs doing? GJ is still pushing up here. UJ still has a good opportunity probably. I'm upset about this US 30. I kind of wish I was in it for sure. Oh, man.
Yeah, gold is a no-go. But Nas may give us a chance right here. It did stop, get a little gas. We got a fueling station. I would hop in now if y'all want to. It's about to push again.
Yeah, Nasdaq about to definitely push here. Definitely about to push. Yeah. Even this US 30 still looks solid, bro. It should be crazy. What are you trying to do here, US 30? Talk to me nice. What are you trying to do here? Okay, what are you trying to do here? Talk to me nice, US 30. What are you trying to do here? Let's see. Yeah, Nasdaq is still pushing up here. S&P look like it's still solid. US 30 though came all the way back down. I wonder what you're trying to do here.
There we go. Another pump. I hope y'all took that Nas or US 30. Shout out to Omar. I see you, bro.
Yeah, this US 30's probably gonna start pushing here.
I took a stab at US 30.
I'm not even mad at you. I'm not even mad at you. Again, Nasdaq and the S&P are still trying to push higher here. We gotta see what US 30 want to do now. If US 30 gonna fall suit, or if she gonna be annoying. I'm still patient, man. I'm still chilling. I ain't pressing no buttons yet. Still waiting. Let's see. What you trying to do, US 30? You trying to be in? You still pushing lower, US 30? And this is why I'm chilling still, man. Like, come on now, bounce back up. Hold this support. Hold this support. You can hold this support. We'll be good. S&P and Nasdaq are still pumping. US 30 gotta come back. If we close as an engulfing right here on the 1 minute, I'll probably be in this. Come on. Show us something. Show us something. Show me something here. Come on. There we go. Come on, show us some. Come on, show us some. Yeah, this looks solid. This looks solid. Come on. It look like it's about to run for real, for real.
Hey, bro, have you tried your trade copier with TradeAvate?
I have, but I don't think I used actually TradeAvate. Only time I was trade copying was with my Top Step accounts, and I used their actual platform to do it. So I haven't used TradeAvate's actual one.
Okay, I was just wondering because I had just set mine up with the instructions on their website, and it looked like it's set up right, but it didn't trade copy my other trade to my other account.
You got to make sure that, because through TradeAvate, I believe it's the grouping, how they do it, right?
Yep.
Through the groups.
Yep, I put it in the grouping, but I'm wondering if it's just because it won't work because it's TradingView and I'm not on the actual TradeAvate. Okay, say hi real quick.
Hi.
Well, yeah, I was just wondering that, bro.
Yeah, I think yeah, I forgot how I did it. But it definitely should be a way either way. Even if I don't know about that. If the account that you're trading is the one connected to TradingView, if you can still group it or not, I'm not sure. Let me check.
Yeah, I was able to group it on TradeAvate itself, but it's not translating through TradingView copying them.
Got you.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, you might have to just take it on the platform then. Their actual TradeAvate shit.
Yep, for sure.
It's a little bit annoying, but it's alright. Yeah, U30 with a 3-minute flip back up. Come on, US 30. Keep going. Nasdaq starting to push back a little bit, but the Nasdaq did come all the way back up to the highs. Gold is still pushing, bro. Gold is on the money right now. That thing is a different animal. Come on now, gold. Keep going, baby. Shimon Lee.
See you, gold. I'll holler at you next week.
Yeah, now go and
I'll let you next week.
Go definitely went crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Go went crazy. Dang, grabbing an entry down here and this spike down would have been beautiful, bro, for US 30. I know some of you guys did get in US 30, so let's go. That boy Omar took a 30 stab, yeah. All should see silver. What's silver doing? Damn, silver's pushing as well. Yeah, silver and gold are both just going nuts. Nasdaq is correcting some off the highs. US 30 is pushing like crazy now though. That's that US 30. I'm telling y'all. I was super
I think
confident
y'all
this.
took it.
That's what I'm saying. I was confident this shit was gonna bounce up. I ain't taking on the prop firm account because I just didn't get. I didn't get exactly what I wanted. Because you guys, I'm very particular on this prop firm account. But I did take it on the personal though. I'll tell you that much. Again, just so we are clear, family, right? I want to make sure you guys understand. Yo, this US 30 is going nuts now. Holy moly! I just want to make sure that we understand, right? Me trading live like this, family, right? You guys have the ability to do whatever the hell you guys want with my ideas. But I'm on here simply just taking trades in real time in front of y'all. These are not actual signals. These are not signals, right? This is just me trading just publicly, live. If you decide to take the same exact trade as I do, you have to assume the risk and you have to assume responsibility for whatever happens. I just want to make sure we're clear on this, family. This is not a signal service. This is me just trading live. If you decide to copy, cool, right? You can do whatever you want. I just want to make sure we understand, okay? I'm just on here just literally trading exactly how I normally trade, even if I was not live on stream. So, what you guys do is on your own. The trades y'all decide to take is all on you. Just want to make sure we understand that. Perfect. But US 30, man, with the crazy flip back up here, this thing ended up honestly correcting pretty aggressive. If you look at this on the 15-minute time frame, look at this massive wick we just left behind. Big boy wick. This thing went absolutely nuts. Nasdaq is still correcting a little bit, but this thing went nuts.
If I'm not mistaken, if anybody did take U30, I think we secured 20 points.
Oh, easily.
For sure.
Easily. I mean, this thing from these lows from when we started, even if you took it on the 3-minute engulfing, you're still up 50 points right now. Like, and that's on the fit. Like, that's damn near halfway the move already. This thing is up almost 100 points already from the lows. Going nuts, man. Going nuts.
I'm in at 39596.
39. Oh yeah, bro. What? You're almost 60 points in profit right now. 596. Yeah, you up almost 60 points. You're up like 50 points actually. Hell yeah. Remember, family, all we're trying to target is 20 points. At least that's what, again, I'm not telling you guys what to do. What I'm trying to target is 20, 30 points, and that's it. Right? We target 20, 30. We close majority of it, 70, 80%. We let a little runner run. That's the system. That's the plan. So let's continue to follow that plan, man. It's working. That plan has had us winning consistently. Even this one right here, if we would have took this US 30, that would have been smashed 5 times. Like on the 1-minute engulfing, this thing ended up going for like 70 points off that 1-minute engulfing. Come on now. Beautiful. Even though I'm not in a trade, man, I know a lot of y'all is taking positions, man. So I'm happy for you guys that are. Let's go.
Hey, Nas might be. Check out Nas 100 real quick.
Nasty Nas. Oh my God, came all the way back down.
I might take. Yeah. This looks takeable.
You said look takeable. He said it's takeable. Even gold's pulling back now too. All these markets are starting to pull back. Look at dollar. The dollar's also pushing back up too now. We're seeing little pullbacks on all this stuff, right? Let's see what happens here now. I might be able to finally get my entry that I've been waiting for. At least here on this prop firm account. Even US 30's coming back a little bit now. Yeah, the NASDAQ is in that area. If this does hold, that might be solid. Oh my God, US 30 came back down quickly, boy. That should come down so quick. US 30 really don't play no games. And this is exactly why we switched our style to the only targeting 20, 30 points. Because it's super choppy, man. Super choppy conditions still. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Anybody get into this Nasdaq? This thing retested very quickly. Only stood down here for
I
about 2
stabbed.
minutes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Come on now.
Yeah,
Let's
I
go.
stabbed. I had my alert set at 220. I'm sorry, 2200, and I had to take it.
Oh yeah.
I had to take it.
Had to take it. I love that. I love when you have to take it because your setup is just right there in your face. Those are the best ones. Like you'll rather take it and take a loss than miss out because it's just right there smacking you in the face, the signals. Let's see what we get here.
Hey, with US 30 engulfing back down on the 3 minute, would that be a trigger line entry? I'm just wondering if I'm seeing it right because it did engulf back down to the below the 13.
Technically, this is a bearish signal for sure. All right, again, just look at the moving average placement, right? You know, the 13 is below the 50. We had a spike up, instant rejection. Like this technically does kind of look like it, you know, could produce some bearishness here. Now, if this flips back up though, all right, again, we are seeing just based off price action, right? That's a very strong 3-minute engulfing, supported by volume as well. Like honestly, this is like a picture perfect bearish trigger line signal. It got the volume supporting it and all that. I'm just not a fan of selling indices personally. I haven't sold indices. I don't like selling indices. But we are technically getting that signal. Now, again, if this does erase though, all right, if this does flip back bullish and we just close back above, then yeah, we better be back in there because this thing's gonna really run. But we gotta let this play out now because this is a very nice bearish signal though. Let's see, what else is everything doing? The S&P starting to push back up here. Yeah, the Nasdaq is looking on the money, bro. I mean, if you did take the Nasdaq off the low, that already is a quick 20 points again. That's another quick 20-point move already. I'm telling you, 20 points a day is beautiful. Catching multiple setups for 20 points a day, that's gorgeous. All right. Like catching one 20-point trade is cool. That's a W. But catching a couple 20-point trades in a session, oh yeah. That's what we need to start focusing on. No cap. All right, let's see. We had Nasdaq is pushing up like crazy. The S&P is also rebounding. US 30 now. Again, we did have U30 come all the way back down, but I still think this could possibly flip because even though we are seeing these lower time frame, right, kind of bearish signals, I mean, we're still very much bullish, man. We're still very much bullish in this season, so I wouldn't be surprised this does start to rebound as well, like everything else. I mean, again, gold starting to push back up. The dollar's still increasing as well, but yeah, this dollar is really starting to gain some strength right now. What are you trying to do, dollar? Because the dollar gaining strength is really gonna affect everything that we've been looking at. So we need this to turn back around and start dropping. We need that to start dropping. Because gold could start to correct here if the dollar doesn't start dropping. Okay, yeah, Nasdaq. I mean, Nasdaq did react back to the upside, but we gotta see how this continues to form here now. Yeah, we even got the 5-minute bearish engulfing too. Yeah, this US 30 look like it might come back and take out these lows maybe. If based off current price action, that's what I will assume. Probably target these lows, fill these wicks. If it doesn't do that though, and we just completely engulf back up, then yeah, that's a massive buy signal. If we do that and we erase this bearish candle, yeah, that's a buy signal all day long. All right, let me see what you guys talking about, family. I spent about 10 hours across multiple days trying to figure out Apex's copy trading. So disappointed, couldn't figure it out. You have to go through Ninja Trader. It's just not syncing up. I'm going to look into it, right? I want to create a video for you guys. I'm going to look into it. I'm going to create a video on the copy trading, or at least I'll find a video for you guys if I can't make one. to walk you guys through how to do it. Because it definitely is a little, it's a little annoying. Let's see. So yeah, I just funded a second 100K account in one session. Yo, Gabriel, let's go, man. Come on now. That boy just got funded 100K last week. And now you just got funded another 100K just now, Gabriel. Come on now, man. Round of
Shout out
applause.
to you, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That boy going crazy.
Yeah, he going nuts. No cap. Let's go. Let's see. I'm in profit for the week. I'm going to stop and roll in next week proper. That's the best way to do it, Drew. Come on now. Let's see. I'm just chilling. Hey, I'm not mad at you, Kevin. I'm clearly just chilling as well, bro. I still ain't even take no trades on this account. At least today. Let's see. The first 160 pip gold sell was mine. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I locked my account for the day.
30 can't make up her mind right now.
Yeah, it's just going back and forth. Again, I would lean towards still bullishness. Like that's still my, even though we're getting bearish signals, like I'm still so much bullish these things. And just look off of news. Again, unemployment going up to 4.1% is a big deal. All right, I think that's a big reason why these are probably still gonna, in my opinion, continue higher here. You know, that's we haven't been above 4% in unemployment in a while. So that's definitely going to at least help with the fight against inflation, which in return should be bullish these markets. So I'm not surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if these do just continue up here. Like the Nasdaq is already back up to the highs that quickly. Like this thing is up already 40, 50 points just like that. The S&P as well rebounded pretty quickly. US 30 gotta follow suit with these ones. It gotta follow suit. I mean, it don't have to, but we know these usually end the day going in a similar direction. Usually, yeah. Nasdaq took out the highs now. Okay, free zone, Lou.
Let's go.
That boy said I was done for the day until he seen another entry on Nasdaq and took it.
That's typically how it go.
He said,
typically how it goes.
He said, I'm up, man. I'm chilling. I'm done for the week. Yeah, all right. He took it. See the Nasdaq in your area? Like, oh no, I gotta take this.
I gotta take it, man. No days off, man.
No days off, man. Come
no
on.
days off when when it falls in the rules. No days off.
There we go. That's the key right there, though. As long as it follows your rules, man, take that trade, man. Come on now.
Yeah, can I share the screen real quick? Just real quick.
We got a screen share. Hold on, man. You should. Are you able to or not? Do I gotta make you host?
No.
I think I'll make you co-host. All right, you're good now. We got a screen sharer.
Let me see.
I see US 30 ain't for the faint of heart. It's really not. US 30 truly is a different animal.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now we can.
Perfect. So, for me on the 15, the only way that I was gonna take it is if it filled this imbalance right here. I was looking for this gap to get filled, and when it pushed down, not only did it fill the gap, but it hit my I got a couple psychological points, air quotes, 2200, so I had to take it. And now we finna, oh my bad, and now we're about to hit the next point. 2300 is where I will take partials. So I've just been kind of going in 1,000 pip increments. So after 300, I'll look at 400. After 400, so on and so forth. So that's what I'm looking at. It didn't give me no, I had my stop loss under this particular candle right here, and it didn't hit it. Like, we had no drawdown whatsoever. So it's lit.
He said,
and then the
lit.
only other thing I was looking at was gold, and I was looking at it on the hour, and I wanted pretty much this to get filled right here. I wanted that to get filled, and then if it did, also pretty much retesting this high, I was gonna take it, but it didn't. It ran without me, and I wasn't about to chase it. So
Smart.
I was cool either way, man. I was cool either way. But yeah, we running the bag on Nas. As far as Dirty 30, y'all can have it. That's not for me. That ain't for me because it always goes against what every other pair is doing, and I don't like
Facts.
it. So
It do be having a mind of its own. No cap.
mm, so yeah, man. Once we hit this 2030, I'm going to take partials, move stops to break even, and then go enjoy the weekend.
Let's go, man.
That's it.
Round of applause for that breakdown real quick. Come on now. Also, we gotta give another round of applause. That boy Jose just passed 100K. Let's go. Come on now, Jose.
Man. Jose
So-
been going crazy.
Jose been. That's why he got the wrench.
Yes, sir.
He been going crazy. Let's go, Jose. Family, can we get some W's in the chat, family? Why are we not celebrating each other, man? Come on now. We gotta celebrate each other, family. Let's go. Come on. It's major, man. It's major. We had a few people pass challenges this morning. Absolutely spectacular. Appreciate you, Daquan, for showing love to our family, man. That's exactly the type of energy we need to have, man. Let's go.
Hey, you still got that yeehaw?
Yeehaw! Absolutely, I got the yeehaw. What kind of cowboy you think I am if I don't got the yeehaw no more, bro? Come on now. The yeehaw is crazy, right? Yeah. That's like my congratulatory button for all my Texans, all my country folk. Yeehaw! Hit you with the yeehaw, y'all. That's me showing love, though. By the way, I love my way. I mean, I'm still watching this U30 too, by the way. I think, can I do this actually? Oh, let's stop yours. I thought there was a way for both of us to keep like the sharing and I could flip back and forth. That would have been fire.
Yeah, you can stop my share. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
I appreciate you, man. Definitely, again, family. It's not an easy thing to do to come on here, man, and share your screen and provide your opinions, right? Your thoughts and opinions. So I appreciate you for that, Free Zone. You the GOAT for that. You the GOAT.
Yes, sir.
And listen, family, again, if you guys are in the VIP, you guys can also do the same thing. If you want to come on here and share your screen, man, and provide some value to the family, listen, I would never say no to that. I would never say no to that. And I'm pretty sure the chat will never not want that. Just saying. I do.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have hit 2,300.
Oh,
If you are
yeah.
in it, take partial. I'm taking partials. I'm moving my stop loss to break even, and that's the day. That's it.
That's
Yeah.
a W for the win.
That's a W right
That's it.
there, boy. That NASDAQ went crazy, too. Bro, and it literally only took about 10, 15 minutes, bro.
And that was well more than 20 pips. So y'all should be good for the weekend, whatever.
Way more
should
than
be
20
good.
pips. No cat. This was, I mean, from where you said you took the re-entry was literally down here. That's about 100 points. Secured a quick 100 points just like that. US 30 is still whipping back and forth, though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm still interested to see what we do here, but again, I still believe we eventually do flip back up to try to follow suit with the S&P and the NASDAQ here. It's just a matter of when, because she does have a mind of her own.
All right, so US 30, I wouldn't look for a buy on US 30 until around 39. Was it 39200? 39200
So below the lows.
personally.
I mean, the way it's looking like, it was crazy. Like Austin, that 3-minute play, man, that 3-minute engulfing, bro, would have produced a beautiful play. That trigger line,
Yeah,
man, you would have got your 20 points easily off of that.
'Cause
Tell
if you
you.
look at the 1 hour,
What's the 1 hour saying?
if you look at the 1 hour time frame,
Yeah.
look if you look at what we're retesting at the 3900. I don't know if that's a lone candle or whatever y'all call it, but it looks like it's going to retest. If you look a little bit to your left,
To my left.
right there. Yeah, I think we might retest in that area. nice little support resistance
Mm-hmm.
area that it keeps bouncing in between.
That is an interesting level. I ain't gonna lie. That is an interesting level. Damn you, US 30. Nah, I mean, US 30 look like it's definitely gonna come fill these wicks. The S&P and the Nasdaq are still doing pretty good. Gold is still holding up high. The dollar, see, the dollar is still pushing, which is a little. That's what's throwing me off a little bit now. The dollar's increasing value and everything else as well. It's like everything is gaining strength right now. What's falling? Besides US 30? US 30 is the only thing that's still falling? What is our yen pairs doing, man? These yen pairs are still pushing as well, bro. I swear, these were... Any pullback, man. Buy these yen pairs, family. Anytime we get a deep pullback like this, man, just buy it. Like, it's almost a guaranteed... Like, even USD JPY is still very low compared to, obviously, the high. Like, the next pullback, man, we need to buy these yen pairs. Like, it's the only currency pairs I'll be trading is these yens, man. We need to buy these things up. No questions asked. Because GJ gave plenty of opportunity. Plenty. All right, US 30, what you doing down here now? What are we doing? Oh my gosh. What are we doing here?
This is a little side topic, but I think we got 7 more Saturdays till football starts.
Oh, yeah. Need that.
I'm still coming for that 100 when the Bears make the playoffs.
Good luck.
Don't think I forgot.
Oh, I don't want you to forget, trust me. That's something I want you to remember forever.
Everyone will remember it forever when that happens.
Word. That'll be the talk of the town. Like, oh shit, the Bears actually did something? No way.
Hey, 1003 gang in the building. What's going on, man?
Let's
Hey,
go.
Nas did. Nas did.
Mhm.
Nas did.
Nas did. Nas definitely did. No cap. US 30 still don't know what they want to do.
Nas still pushing.
Yeah, Nasdaq is definitely money. That's what I'm saying. There's no way this US 30 doesn't flip back bullish at some time. At some point throughout today, it's gonna flip bullish and go nuts.
I only have one contract on U30, so I'm still just chilling. It's either gonna hit my stop loss or hit TP.
That's a fact.
I only got small risk on it anyway, so I ain't tripping either way.
There we go. I want to see what we do here, man. Like, now at this point, we got to get back above. If we can get back above just this little structure high on the 1 minute, man, we should be good to go. But who knows if we get that.
Damn.
Things
are dropping.
It said, nope, not yet. That's why I'm still chilling, man. I still haven't pushed the button because, oh, even everything just fell. Nasdaq fell down. The S&P all just corrected too a little bit. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm probably about to take this L. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, because I don't know. I mean, these still could very well go lower here. Or they could flip back up. One thing. Yeah, just let that hit. Don't even play around with your stop or get out. Just let that shit hit your stop.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now about to hit.
And let's see what happens here, man. Because a lot of this stuff is starting to correct now. What are we about to do here? Bro, that 3 minute, 5 minute bearish play, man. See, if I wasn't so bullish, like if this was something other than indices, bro, I probably would have took this. This is a beautiful setup right there. Nasdaq came down. The S&P came back within the range. Gold is pushing back down. Again, for gold, man, we're starting to give our setup, though. All right, our trigger line setup, our moving average setup here. Again, all we need is for price to get in between these moving averages, which we're currently in right now. Next 5 minute engulfing, if we can get a nice 5 minute candle that closes back outside the range, that's the entry all day. All day stops below this low. And all this is forming right in this fair value gap as well, which I'm telling y'all, we're probably gonna see this flip back up here. US 30 is just going different right now. US 30 is just like, whoa, okay. Watch this.
Yeah, that trigger line entry would have went crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
I should have went nuts, bro.
But anytime I try to sell U30, man, it just never works out.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it neither. Not gonna lie, at all. Like at all. I mean, everything is coming back down. The S&P pretty much erased all of its gains so far. Nasdaq is coming back down as well here. Gold is still dropping as well. Again, this is good. I want gold to continue to do. I want us to close in this area on the 5 minute. Because then our setup.
U30 could be working down to this little imbalance on the 5 though. That I see.
Yeah, I see it. A little small imbalance right there.
Yeah, kind of where that right below that hesitation.
Yeah, yeah. Look at the money and look at the ice is shining bright. What are you trying to do, U30? You trying to push back up now?
Hey, the young one said take the trade. I heard her.
I heard her too. She did too. She constantly telling me to take the trade.
She said, take the trade, Dad.
She might hit my keyboard and put me in for me.
That's not funny.
It's funny. I got both of my kids sitting on my lap right now.
Mm-hmm. That's good, though. Come on now. Let them see what it's about, man. My kids always be watching me.
Future traders.
You never know, man. You never know. Yeah, US 30 is still correcting here. Everything is correcting, honestly. The dollar is still gaining strength now. I don't need no boot. Yeah. Future. I mean, on the NASDAQ, we do got this 1 minute live OB. I mean, 1 minute lone candle. If we come all the way down to there and sweep that, I might take that. Depending on how we react, but. Come on, get in between our moving averages. Get in between our moving averages. No. Drop a little bit more, NASDAQ. Come on. A little bit more. Get in between our moving averages and give us the play. Give us the play, man. I need you to go in the moving averages. Go in the moving averages, though. Gold, yeah, gold looks solid, man. If we can flip back bullish now, close outside that 13, that's a beautiful play. Beautiful play. I walk in and doing no capping. It's too much in my jacket. Before I got the bag off at Wafi. Come on, give us something, man. Give us 10 o'clock. Find these supports. 10 o'clock volume really kick in and drive us back up to the highs. That'll be spectacular. Big book. All this ice got me feel like a. In the headlock. Let's see what we get here. Are we finding this support now? S&P starting to push back up. S&P is in fresh liquidity. We did take out this support. Fresh liquidity. 1 minute live OB. Come on now. You close like this as a 1 minute engulfing and the volume is supporting it, man. That might be a play. That might be a play. And we got a 3 minute OB2 forming. Fresh liquidity, swept the lows, engulf back up. If this can close with higher volume, that'll be beautiful. US 30 is also trying to push back up here. Okay. Let's see how this stuff closes. Yeah, US 30 looks crazy right now. Give me 1 second, y'all. Yeah, this US 30 is trying to push now like crazy. And there's some shit that killed it. Did it by the grace of God. Man, this shit is really... Do we think these are the lows right here that are forming? Do we think these are the lows? They might be. Let's see. Okay, 3 minute. We might get a 3 minute trigger line play here. If this does close like this, yeah, this is gonna be money. I'll go, wait. Got to catch a trade. We can call that man the made.
If U30 can come back down and swipe 39486, I think I'll take another buy.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see how this closes. Again, this 3 minute play look kind of crazy right here, or kind of interesting right here in the NASDAQ. Literally a signature play. But it don't make no sense. But we don't mind. It's about that time. Yeah, this is an entry right here on the NASDAQ. Cause it's the life I really live. This thing might be definitely like about to make a move. Well, all right. Even gold is setting up nicely too now. Hey, understood. I'm not here for the fame. King got thrown. No lie. No lie. And all we live is no lie. No lie, yeah. Yeah, US 30 look like it's trying to push back up as well here. I like how these candles close, and I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't be surprised if these are the lows that now push us higher. Let's do put up in this. We don't really feel it. This US 30 is there, man. We just didn't get the volume to support the move, but we are in fresh liquidity down here. We are in fresh liquidity. We just didn't get the volume to really pick up that I want.
Hey, shout out to George for taking that NAS, closing out in profit. Shout out to Devani. I see you get the quick 20 off the gold.
Let's go.
It's lit today. Let's go.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are eating, man. He said, who is the boy that's talking about the NASDAQ? Man, that's Mr. Free Zone. It's Mr. Free Zone himself, man. And what we live is no lie. Let's see what we about to do here. I could set the buy stop right above here. Just trade the buy stop. The gang here with me, and you know it's Liddy. All right, yeah, I'm gonna set the buy stop right above these highs. I think if we do take out this current 5-minute bearish 3-minute candle, I think we probably do continue to drive. So we'll see. I do got a buy stop set here though, family. Right above previous 3-minute high. Let's see what's everything else doing. Yeah, Nasdaq is starting to push back up. The S&P is starting to push back up. Yeah, man, we're gonna let this buy stop play out real quick and see how it goes. I think it could be solid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, thank you.
You want some orange juice?
This is a 5-course meal here, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna need some.
I'll just put it in there.
Your daughter drink all my juice. Thank you. All right, let's see. We did get filled here. Let's see how this plays out. I'm essentially risking the profits that we made on Wednesday in this position here. Because again, I really don't want to. I don't want to drag these out. I've already been dragging out that 100K account for a little while. I don't want to drag out any of these prop firm accounts, to be honest with you. So we're gonna see. So we technically are in this position though here for US 30. We are down a couple points. Just need this to continue to drive now. Now I need you to keep running up higher. Don't just hit me in and not keep running. Now you just took out previous 3-minute candle high. Start driving for us. Come on. Come on, start driving. All right, let's see. Gold. What's gold doing? Gold, Goldilocks. It's still turn around here. Looks like it's about to push back up here. We also did close outside of the range. We got exactly what we wanted to see on gold as well. All right, we were in between the moving averages. We now just ended up closing back on the outside of it. Stops below the lows. Probably not a bad idea. If we do come back within the range, then we gotta be a little concerned. But you know, since we are now outside of the moving averages, don't look too bad. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, yeah, US 30. We did get another 5-minute closure here. I need this 5-minute closure to really start to spike up for us. That'll be a spectacular. And we'll see, man. Not bad for a Friday. That's a fact. It's kind of crazy. It is a Friday too, by the way. So the community is crushing it. Crushing it for it being a Friday. I ain't gonna lie. Crushing it for it being a Friday. Let's go. Go down for a possible trigger entry. Yep. Exactly what we see here. Absolutely. Come on now. Keep going. You're already in a nice bullish move here. We've seen a nice spike up. Come on. Give us that play. Give us that play, baby. Having a day off from work helped out. Absolutely. Absolutely. Nasty, nasty Friday. I'm telling you. All right, I got to use the bathroom, family. Hold on. I drank too much juice. All right, we back. Let's see. We're back, and I'm a little negative right now in US 30. I kind of wish US 30 would have flipped already. The fact that everything else is starting to come back down is a little concerning, man. But we gonna let it. I stopped, man. We took the position. We did play a 3-minute, a 3-minute engulfing. It wasn't supported by volume. All right, I didn't risk too much. I only risked pretty much the profits we made because, again, I didn't have all my confirmations here. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens either way. Again, all my confirmations weren't there, so we don't risk the entire amount. All they do is lie to your sister, but I know. All on my mind, I'm gonna be Nasdaq pushed down. Now it's starting to push back up. That's what we want to see. Come on, Nasdaq, start flying. S&P start flying so that US 30 can start flying. Come on now. Every moment turn into a twister in a row. Come on, start pushing up. Start pushing up. There we go. Come on. Shimon Lee. Shimon Lee. Alright, yen pairs. GJ is starting to correct a little bit here. Again, all these corrections are beautiful on these yen pairs, man. If we could see price come back towards that 50 period moving average in the 5 minute and get that bounce, oh yeah. 50 period bounce, man. 50 bounce would be beautiful for GJ. UJ as well. Come back down, UJ, a little bit more. Come back between our moving averages. Give us the 50 bounce. Close back above. Absolutely. Absolutely, that'll be great. Gold still looks pretty solid. I'm not even gonna lie. Gold still looks pretty solid. If it could hold like this for the next minute, I think we're gonna see a next candle should drive up here. US 30 is still chilling. We're still in drawdown right now in US 30. A little bit of drawdown. We're gonna see if this is able to rebound or not. If we're gonna take an L. Either way, we're good regardless. But we're gonna see what we get here. Damn, they gave me too much food. What the hell? They gave me too much food. What you about to do here? Come on, what you about to do here? Yeah, close back up. Close back up. That'll be beautiful, US 30. Close back up. Come on. That'll be spectacular. Come on, engulf this bearish engulfing. Yeah, engulf us back up. That'll be great. If this 5 minute candle can close back above the highs right here, oh my God, we're going to be running for sure. If we fail to break these highs, right, if we fail to take out the previous 5 minute candle highs, then yeah, we're going to drop more. We're going to drop more. If we fail to break that 5 minute high for sure. Come on. Keep driving. Come on, you 30. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Come on. I need you to close bullish. I need you to close above the highs right here. I need you to take out 39 540s. Come on. Close back above 39 540s. Come on, baby. You got it. I got faith in you. Come on. Come on. I got faith in you. Come on. Keep going. Keep going, baby. Come on, keep going. Come on, keep going. 3 minutes left. Come on, keep going. No, keep going. I need you to spike up. I need you to pop up. No, don't do that. I need you to pop up. Yeah, if this doesn't take out the previous 5 minute high, family, then we're probably going to seek lower. I'll probably take this L. If we are not able to take out this previous 5, I'm telling y'all, man, we're going to just see another leg lower. We really need to take out this 5 minute candle, this 5 minute bearish one, for us to be safe here. Come on now. I had to go make some changes. Okay, there we go. Come on. Keep driving. Come on. Come on. Are you going to do it for us? Are you going to do it for us? Come on. Come on. Take out the highs and close above there. NASDAQ and the S&P look still solid. Look like they're about to keep running. Dollar looks like it's starting to come back down now. Gold is also still running now. Gold looks good, man. If you guys did take that trigger line entry on gold, you win some type of profits right now. Come on, you 30. No, I need you to close above it. I see you tap the highs. I need you to close above it. Come on, US 30. Need you to close above the highs, man. I like the tap. I need you to close above it, though. We still got a minute and a half. Still got a minute and a half to close above it. Come on. Don't come back down. Don't come back down. I don't want you to come back down. I need you to close above the highs, man. I need you to close above the highs, man, not drop. What's up with you? I seen the milli. I got motivated. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, gold is still doing good too, man. Quit my 9 to 5 and now they hating. Yeah, if this flips back bearish, man, it's definitely gonna continue to drop here. I might just close out if this does. If we don't recoup this in the next minute, man, I'll probably just close out. Take my small loss and call it a day. I at least want to end the week positive on this account. Because you know what could do to me. Yeah, look at this. It looks like it's about to keep going. I'm still watching. I'm still watching. We got 10 seconds left. How we close here? We're definitely not going to flip back bullish in 10 seconds, but yeah. This is probably going to keep on going lower here. What's the other ones doing? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to close out here, fam. I'm just going to take this small L. I'm not even going to let it hit stop loss. It's a Friday. I'm chilling. This still could very much rebound, but I'm chilling, man. I'm going to take that L and we're going to call it a day. We're going to take that L and we're going to call it a day, right? Let me go ahead and mark this up. 7/5/2024. We took that around 10 o'clock. It was the buy on US 30 or YM. All right, YM is US 30. New York session. We did play the buy stop on that one. Again, lot size or contracts. We did throw two contracts on there. This is probably going to turn back around, though. Watch, I'm going to be upset, but it's all good. I'm fine with I'm fine with that, with whatever happens here. Super fine with it. But let's go ahead and see. Our initial target was back up to the highs. Again, we had the buy stop above here. Stop loss was below the lows. Targets back up to the highs. So we were targeting around 170 points for the full TP. You know, we're really only targeting 2030. Stop loss was 63 points. Is that 63 points? No, stop loss is, yeah, around 60 points. 60 point stop. Result, we ended up closing out early. Yeah, we ended up closing out at around here. Our entry was right here. We ended up closing for around 30-point loss. Yeah, around a 30-point loss. Negative 30. How much did we lose? What did we lose? Filled. How much did we lose? Bro, why can't I see the results of this? Dropping fast cars. You know what? I'm just gonna do the math. I'm just gonna do the math. We were at 57.73. $54.32.60. All right, so we lost $340 on that trade. 340. Negative 340. Yeah, pretty much. I forgot to take my screenshots. Looking for more upside after a sweep of sell side liquidity. After trade, didn't get the reaction I initially. Yo, this is the crazy thing is now US 30 starting to pump again. Yeah, man. Initially like, so close out early. All right, so that is where we're at, family. We're right now based off of our trades that we are now tracking. This is where we're at. All right, currently up around $433 or so, but that's light. We're gonna see what this plays out. That's light, man. Yeah, but I'm comfortable with the way we just did, family. I'm completely fine with, you know, the outcome and all this stuff, man. Even if US 30 does start to push higher here, which I do think it's probably going to. There's still a very good chance that it could push up here. I just don't want to deal with it anymore. I'm chilling, and I gotta jump off anyways because I gotta go run some freaking errands. You guys know how it is, man. But other than that, though, family, either way, man, it's been a really, really good week overall. It's been a really, really good Friday. Shout out to all you guys that also took some trades and are in the money. Absolutely eating. And I'm excited to see what we come back with next week, man. Super excited to see what we come back with next week. So, family, man, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for hopping on with your boy and having a good time with your boy once again. We're going to go ahead and close it off there. You know, Free Zone. Austin, I appreciate you guys for, you know, coming on and unmuting yourselves and, you know, communicating and participating in the dialogue. It definitely means a lot, you know, that you guys are willing to do that. So I appreciate y'all as well. And yeah, family, love you guys, man. But I'm out of here, man. I gotta go do my thizzle. I gotta go for this run, and then I gotta go help wifey out. You know how it is. But man, beautiful, beautiful day, family. Beautiful, beautiful day. Can we get a copy of the journal? Yeah, I actually did send it in the chat. I had sent it in the chat, the one that you guys can copy. There it is. I'll send it again for you guys. You guys are more than willing to go ahead and use this one. Just make sure you make a copy of it. Okay, make sure you make a copy of it in the chat. Okay, but all right, family, love you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Thank you guys for jumping on. I'll see you guys next week. If you guys are a part of the boot camp, I'll see y'all tonight. All right, y'all, family, take care. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. It's your boy Abel, and I'ma holla at y'all. Let's get it.